Hi, it's Bonnie and Rufus, the Sandlapper RVers. We're staying at the Jekyll Island State Park Campground in Jekyll Island, Georgia. It's a very nice campground, but we're going to show you some pictures of the beaches and some of the old historic homes here in the city. Jekyll Island is known for its Driftwood Beaches, or Boneyard Beaches as some people call them. These boneyard beaches offer great photographic opportunities. The striking contrast between the sky, the beach, and the driftwood dead trees make for great photographs. As you can see here, there's a great fishing pier. It's concrete, extends way out into the water, and has a T at the end where you can fish in either direction. It also has nice benches and seating areas if you just want to go and sit and enjoy the scenery. Be sure and visit the old historic homes on the island. You can go on a tour of the inside, or you can just walk around the outside. But they are some built by Goodyear, Moss, a lot of the, quote, captains of industry from back in the day. And they are really fantastic and well maintained. You can also do a carriage ride if you like. There's also a nice candy shop nearby. We love Jekyll Island Campground. The state park is very nice. It has full hookups. The spaces are nice. You're not crammed up against somebody too much. But there's a couple of drawbacks to being on Jekyll Island that we found. One, if you leave Jekyll Island, say to go to St. Simon, when you come back on the island, you have to pay the $8 entrance fee, even if you're a camper. Also, if you want to go metal detecting, you can't do it on Jekyll Island, not allowed. Also, if you want to fly a drone on Jekyll Island, not allowed. But otherwise, we had a very enjoyable stay and would definitely go back again. And as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to see more videos.